Hello my friends, today we got 2005 Dodge Sprinter, our condenser from the fan vibration got a little hole here, so it starts to leak out the freon. We clean up this, what you call, I don't know, like a tube cell type of deal, and we are going to fix it with JB welder. So we're gonna pull out just a little bit gently. Make sure, because it's so fragile, it's aluminum right here, and we're going to pack it, clean it a little more, and pack it with this boy right here, Marina, because it says chemical and petroleum resistance. That's what we need. So this is the cell, and we counting, so it's gonna be right here. We are going to clean it and cut it, because this whole thing gonna be useless, and we're going to be working right here because it's much easier to work here rather than here somewhere. Be very careful not to damage what we got there, air cooler. And let's cut it in half. Let's clean it a little more. Let's bend it this way a little bit so we can work it easier here. Don't crack it here. And if you look inside this cell, there is a hollow, empty point that we need to clean it a little more. We're going to use a little brake cleaner. If you have the electric cleaner, that's even better, because it's gonna dry out sooner. Watch out your eyes. Let's wait till it dries. Same thing on the other side. So we mix it pretty good. Now let's apply it. Put it inside the pores as much as possible. Squeeze in, pack in those nostrils, in those cells, just pack it. Yeah baby, all the way. Pack it good inside and then go outside. Weld that popsicle. And it's gonna be a little runny, so it's gonna go around as well, just like that. Also put it on the bottom so it would hug this little tube. I thought it's a hollow tube inside, just a simple hollow tube. They have a reinforcement ribs inside those tubes. What a engineering. I got the fan out of the way. Okay, now it's all about the waiting. Alright, so 8 hours later, how we looking? Pretty nice, pretty solid. On this side, beautiful, goodness, cold welder. So I'm gonna apply another layer right here. So we put another layer, and we are going to leave it overnight. Okay, it looks nice and dry. Same here. Let's pressurize the system. I turned the AC on, but it's not on. It's not spinning because of the pressure. There is no pressure in the AC. Okay, AC engaged. So far no leaks. No leaks in the system. I don't smell any freon. It's pumping. Okay. Now let's carefully, very carefully push it back. Ooh. Sounds very fragile. Let's push it back out of the way because fan is going to be spinning here. With nose pliers, let's bend this bracket a little bit away, this way, as far as possible from condenser, to prevent from next time, because that's what happened. It was too close and it started rubbing against the condenser, this bracket right here on the fan, and it torn the hole off. Let's make sure that we connected this plug connector. See, this is not on the way, and this one, it doesn't really reach here, and we good on the metal brackets here, so it's not going to be rubbing against the condenser. So I've been driving for several days now, and let's see, I don't really see any leaks here. It looks pretty good to me. Let's see if the pressure's still there. Oh yeah, pressure is there. Alright, so our system is nice and empty. We got the refrigerator oil, which is $6 in Walmart, and we got a refrigerant, which is $5 in Walmart. In auto parts stores, that would be like around 70 bucks plus tax. Okay, so let's start with oil. Shake it like a salt shaker. I'm gonna go start up the engine, turn the AC on, and it's almost empty, so let's flip it and continue to pump it. I'm gonna let out some of the air in the system. I don't see no oil yet. We got nice and hot Texas weather, but it's beautiful and cold here. Feels like Antarctica. Alright, my friends, well, please like, subscribe, and see you in the new and future videos.